Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to allow apps or features to communicate through Windows Defender. If you want to make it in Windows 10, you need to click right mouse button on icon with a start and then you need to go to run. Here you need to type Control and click OK button. After that we need to go to System and Security Settings and then we need to go to Windows Defender Firewall Settings. Now from the left panel we need to open this one option, allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. If you want to allow apps to communicate through Windows Defender Firewall, we need to click Change Settings option, and here we need to find feature or app that we want to allow. So I will scroll down here, and for example I will enable Game Bar here, so I check here Private and Public options, and if you want to save changes you need to click OK button, and now changes will be implemented, and selected apps or features should be allowed to communicate through Windows Defender in Windows 10. It's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to check links in description.